welcome back. Today we've got reflexive and intensive pronouns. Are you ready? Let's get started. Reflexive, that is, we would like to start with reflexive pronoun, and it says this is the pronoun in which the subject is the object. Is it possible? What does it mean? Don't worry. Let's continue. Before continue, let's have a reminder of what a subject is. And it says this is the doer of an action, that is, the one doing an action is the subject, while object is the one receiving the action, that is, the one receiving an action. Let's have some examples. I like tea. I is the subject, tea is the object, that is, I, the one doing the work of liking, tea, the one receiving the work of liking. We eat food. We is the subject, while food is the object. We is the one doing the work of eating. Food is the one receiving the work of eating, that is, the work done by we. She drinks water. She is the subject, water the object. They teach me. They the subject, because it is they is the one doing the action, they are the ones, and me is the object, the one receiving the action of teaching. He sees us. He is the subject, that is the one doing the work, then us is the object, that is the one receiving the work of sees. I think that was awesome. You have remembered now. Then let's move to reflexive pronoun. It is simple. They are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, themselves, and ourselves. Let's see what this means. You remember the doer, the subject, is the object. Let's have examples. I wounded myself. I is the subject. Myself is the object. So the subject is the object. I and myself are the same person. The same person. So myself there is the reflexive. Don't hurt yourself. It means you don't hurt yourself. So you, the subject, yourself, the object. So you and yourself are the same person. She trains herself. She is the subject, herself, the object. She and herself are the same person. Herself is the reflexive. He helps himself. He is the subject. himself is the object, so he and himself are the same person. The dog bit itself. The dog is the subject, itself is the object. The dog and itself are the same animal. And we helped ourselves. We are the subject, ourselves the object. We and ourselves are the same people. He killed himself. He is the subject, himself the object. He and himself are the same person. The subject is the object. And the last example, I think, those should be enough. Then we have intensive pronoun. This is the pronoun that is used for emphasis. That is, you state something strongly. You say that, yes, I do not doubt it is true. You did it, for example. So the intensive pronouns too are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, themselves, and ourselves. Let's have examples so that it becomes clearer. You said it yourself. I mean, you yourself said it. It was you yourself, not someone that said it. I did it myself. That is, I did it. No one helped me. I did it. I used my hand. I did it myself. You are emphasizing. So myself here is not reflexive. It is intensive. They know it themselves. That is, they themselves know it. I'm emphasizing. You should know. He himself read it. That is, he read it himself. He should not lie to you. He saw it. He understood it. So he himself read it. I'm emphasizing. That is intensive. Then she herself drove the car. I'm telling you that no one drove the car. She did it. She did it herself. We ourselves know it is true. I'm telling you, we too, we know that this is true. We ourselves, we know it is true. The house itself is beautiful. I'm emphasizing it is beautiful. I hope it is very, very clear. It is not difficult. So I hope that was awesome. I hope it was useful. Thanks for now. Until next time.